if the death was if the death had to be an exhibition, the life cannot be hidden. The life also had to be an exhibition. It had to be an exhibition. He said he lived. He was obedient to death, even the death on the cross. When they kill you on the cross, they don't hide the cross in the compound. They don't mount the cross on the compound to kill you. They go outside the city. They go on a high rise. Who understands that? And they put the cross there, then they kill the person there. For what? Exhibition. Exhibition. And when they kill the person, they put the person's crime on the head of the cross. Why? What happens? A city, people go out of the city, people come in to the city. And going out and coming in, you must pass those places. So when you are coming in, you see those guys hanging on the cross. Now the person is dead on the cross. Then while he's there, you're looking at it. What did this person do? The sign shows up there. So you know this city you're entering. If you do this kind of thing, this is your condition. Who understands that? If you are in the city and you didn't know, when you're going out of the city, the gates of the city, and you're going out, as you're going out, you didn't get the news is out there waiting for you. Whether you're going in or going out is there, exhibition. That was the death. That was the death. No wonder. He said now, he said through the church that the manifold, the multifaceted wisdom of God will be manifest, educated, exhibited, displayed. By the church. By the church. Look at this. It says, ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation. It says, a peculiar people called out of darkness into his marvelous light. Why? For exhibition. He said that ye may show forth the manifold, the virtues, the excellencies of the kingdom of God. His death had to be an exhibition. That his life also in you might be an exhibition. I live to the praise of his glory. What does it mean? Live to the praise of his glory. Someone examines your life. As he's looking at your life, he say, hey, my God, God be praised. Blessed be God. You look more, oh Lord. They look, Lord. See, even when it looks like you got a hit and you're going through, you're struggling, and like this, they think you are going to fall. This life doesn't let you fall. I mean, they are talking. Can you imagine what happened to him? His business, he's about to fall. He's about to crash. And as he's going there, then he just do bam, 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 bam. Hey! I mean, all of a sudden, like, we thought he's going to die. But he's up. He's up. What a glory. That's it. To the praise of his glory.